Okay, this guide is to walk through setting up and running the ADK sample. Let's pick one sample to run. If we want to run the Travel Concierge. So first we go to our terminal, and then make the word bigger. And then we first clone down this repo. So choose a place, choose a folder you want to clone this project. So we do click clone and then the URL of this Git page. Okay, so after cloning, we go inside this folder. And then we have to, and then the agent sample we pick, which is in Python, and then agent, and then travel concierge. Okay, so we're inside this folder, and then we open an ID. I'll use VS Code here. So inside VS Code, we first have to create our virtual environment. So I'll use UV. You can use any tools you want. And then if you haven't installed UV, run this code. It will install UV in your global machines. And then after that, you can create an virtual environment using this. So after you create this, you can activate this virtual environment. Okay, so you see now where I'm inside this virtual environment, and then you can install all the required dependency in this TOML file. So I'll do uv pip install. Okay, so this finished installing all required dependency. And now we have to set our env file. So here's an example env file. We first copy and paste it, and then rename it. Okay, and then we first change the vertex AI into 1 since we're using Gemini. And then Google Cloud project and location we can find it in our Google Cloud Console here. So in our Google Cloud Console, you first to create the project, and after that, go to your cloud overview, and this is your project information. So add this to your Google Cloud project, and then the location. And for the location, go to the Vertex AI dashboard, and then here the location for the model is US Central 1. So just copy it and paste it here. And also remember to go and enable our Vertex AI here. So if you look like this, it's already an enable now. So yeah, after setting this, we'll finish our basic configuration. So if you need Google Map, like there's an agent you can find through the Google Map and fetch some information. You can add your Google Map, Google Place API key here, and then your Google Cloud Storage here. So for this guide, I will only use the the agent part, so I'm not adding these. Okay, so how can we run this code? So there's web interface for ADK. Let's run like ADK web. And then run this localhost in your browser. And then you can select an agent where is Travel Concierge, and then X something about your travel planning. So yeah, so you can follow the agent, and then it will like create a workflow to interact with other agent. And that's it for the tutorial.